of the 18 days of war is sadhana movement that covers 7 steps of wisdom, especially in the beginning, 4 steps of wisdom. Bhishma's, at this stage, the concern is how to bring about sattvapatti, how to disable Bhishma, how to disable chitta from creating bondage. That's the mystic line. And it is successfully handled by 3 steps: Shubhecha, aspiration; Vicharana, practice of affirmation, reflection, inquiry; Tanu Manasi, when mind is gradually being free of impurities and subconscious is being purified. Now comes a stage from where you cannot go backward, to slip back. Slipping back into bondage is completely prevented. That's the 4th step, sattvapatti. Sattvapatti, the philosophy, is brought in a storyline. Bhishma's Sharashayya, Bhishma lying on the bed of arrows. He will no longer fight, but will be an inspiration for both sides. For the side of lower self to sublimate them, higher self for the victory. So while that is the subtle philosophy, storyline has a lot of spices. People are talking about Bhishma in so many ways. Some are talking with respect, some without respect. Krishna is calming them down. So all the subtle points making this story spicy. But eventually, Krishna will persuade Yudhishthira to directly approach Bhishma and ask how can he be disabled. That's again storyline. Philosophy line, all your practices are to enable your mind to understand how can chitta be disabled from creating bondage.